Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Today I have brought a very delicious samak kheer recipe for you guys. Before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for my upcoming videos. Samak kheer is usually prepared during Navratris when people are fasting. It's very healthy and very easy to make. So let's get started. To prepare samak kheer or samak porridge, here I have taken 750 milliliters, which is 3 cups milk. Here I am using full fat milk. You can also use low fat milk if you want to. Also I have 4 tablespoons samak rice, which is also known as barnyard millet or vrat ke chawal. This grain you can easily find on Amazon or any online store or any retail store. This millet is loaded with high amount of fiber and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. It is a great source of energy. Along with that, here I have 1/3 cup, which is 70 grams granulated sugar, or according to your taste. Also, I have some dry fruits. In that I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and raisins, but they are optional. If you want to use them, you can use, or you can totally skip them. To enhance the flavor, here I have taken 2 green cardamoms and some saffron strands. Saffron gives beautiful color and flavor to the kheer, although they are optional. First step is we have to soak these samak ke chawal. But before soaking, we have to clean them completely so that we can remove all the dirt from this millet. After 2 washes, I am adding some clean water and letting them soak for about 10 minutes. Let's move towards the next step. In a kadhai or in a saucepan, add the milk. Now switch on the stove and let the milk boil. In the meantime, I am adding saffron strands to the milk and green cardamom, which I have smashed a little. Now let this milk boil. Milk has started to boil. At this stage, we will add samak ke chawal, which we soaked earlier. After adding chawal, give a stir to the milk. Now let this milk and rice cook for about 10 minutes. But make sure that you keep stirring in between. Otherwise, milk and the rice will stick to the bottom. As you can see, this mixture has become quite thick and creamy. Keep scraping the sides so that the milk doesn't get dry on the edges. Now let this cook for another 5 minutes. Slowly kheer is becoming thick. Usually it takes 15 to 18 minutes to cook, but ensure the flame is on very low. Our kheer has got perfect texture and it is almost ready. At this stage, I am adding dry fruits which I have cut into juvenile. Also add raisins. Give it a mix. Now add sugar. Now make sure everything is very well combined and sugar is completely dissolved. For that, we will let it cook for another 2 minutes. Our kheer is ready. It took about 18 to 20 minutes to prepare this delicious kheer. Switch off the flame and transfer kheer into the bowl. I am garnishing the kheer with juvenile cut pistachios, almonds and cashew nuts. I am also using some saffron strands, but they are totally optional. So our delicious and very creamy kheer is ready. You can make this kheer during Navratris while you are fasting. This will satisfy your hunger and keep you full for longer period. You can also prepare this kheer even if you are not fasting, because this is so delicious and so creamy. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please share your feedback in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Stay healthy, stay safe for now. Bye bye.